Also, I'm installing a K8 under the counter. So what I did, I replaced the original top hose where the Kangen water comes out, and I replaced it with the new kit. Comes this hose that goes connected to the yellow. I also replaced this right here that goes at the where the 2.5 comes out. I took the other one out and I replaced it with the gray hose. That gray hose goes connected to the red, and the white hose goes connected to the white. And then it goes all the way to the top of the faucet underneath. It goes to the faucet, and then the blue goes connected to also to this filter. This is an enagic filter. So I installed the T right here. I connected this T, the bronze looking one, and this is the cold water. I shut it off and connected this, the three-way. I connected this right here, this little fitting, and there's the white, that's the cold water that's coming out and it's going in the filter right here. I also replaced this little T. It used to be just the original one, and I put an elbow, so it's a 3/8 I believe, and then I connected the blue, the other elbow on the other side as well. I connected another elbow that goes all the way to the top of the machine, and just need power. We need power, and pretty much that's pretty much it.